Hey guys, welcome back to Sangeeta's Cakes and More. So today I have brought one new cake for you and it is very healthy in nature and its name is pumpkin bundt cake. So let's start with the ingredients. But before the ingredients, I'll tell you one thing. Pumpkin is rich in vitamin C, beta carotene and many other vitamins, and it improves your immune system also. So eat healthy and stay healthy. So as you know, this is pumpkin bundt cake. So our main ingredient is pumpkin. So now this is something around 300 grams of pumpkin which I have already grated for you. So this is 300 gram pumpkins, and for this 1 cup of flour which is something around 150 grams, and I am taking half cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of white sugar, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Instead of vegetable oil, you can take butter also. 3 eggs, and I have few of my spices which are like cinnamon, 1 full spoon, 3/4 spoon of nutmeg, 6 to 8 cloves. It depends on the size of your cloves. If the cloves are very small, you can take 6 cloves. And I have taken 1-inch ginger piece. It is a fresh ginger. You can take ginger powder also. So let's start making it. So let's start. First of all, I'll take just half a spoon of butter in a pan, and I'll leave my, basically this is not a puree and I am using it as a grated one. So I'll cook it for just 3 to 4 minutes and cool it down before I start making my cake. So this is my pumpkin, grated pumpkin with a fine grater, not too thick. So pumpkin juices are coming out. So another 2 to 3 minutes we will keep it on fire, medium flame, so that extra juices also reduce here and it is a little cooked. Rest of the cooking will be done in while it is baking. So let's start mixing our ingredients. I have taken my crushed sugar and now I am adding my flour to it. I will add all my dry ingredients to it. 1.5 spoon of baking powder. So all my dry ingredients are there except my spices. Now I will add my spices also. Here goes my cinnamon, nutmeg and cloves. Ginger I will add to my wet ingredients. So now I will sieve them nicely. So this way all of my dry ingredients are mixed together. Now I will start adding my wet ingredients. First of all, I'll add my eggs. So now I am adding my 3 beaten eggs, and simultaneously I'll add my oil. One tablespoon of vanilla essence. So now I'll mix all of them together. Now my pumpkin, grated pumpkin and my grated ginger is left. If you feel the consistency is too thick, you can add lukewarm milk to it. Now I'll be adding my ginger My pumpkin is completely cooled down now. Now I will add this also. So this should be the consistency, a little flowy. You can say maybe more than flowy. And now I have prepared a bundt cake tin. So I'm going to pour it here. One thing I would like to tell you, whenever you take this tin, oil it nicely and this side also. And then you can dust it with flour, so it is easy when the cake has to be released. It becomes very easy. A little flour. Extra flour can be taken off. I will bake it at 180 degree for around 40 minutes. It may vary from 35, 30 at times. Depends on the size of your cake pan. You need to fill it half. So as my batter is left, I'll keep it in another mold. Tap it twice or thrice and I'll let it bake. So I'll keep it in oven for around 35 to 40 minutes at 175 to 180 degree. So now it's almost 35 to 38 minutes and my cake is ready, as you can see it. So I will keep it out for around 10 to 12 minutes to cool it, and then I'll unmold it and show it to you. My cake is ready. You can see it. It's beautiful and spongy. See, the whole wheat cake itself is so spongy, and I'm going to enjoy it. You also enjoy, make it and enjoy it. And then when you like these recipes, do subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. Thank you.